What are day trading books? To better keep your trading activity organized, make use of the day trading booking system. To begin, navigate to the book page by clicking on Your Books, found in the main menu, or on the Book tab on the day trading page. First, name the book based on what you intend to do in that book. Then select a server type for the book. Once both fields are filled, finish by clicking on Create New Book. Books can be utilized in a variety of ways to help you plan for an effective trading strategy. For example, you can create and have a dedicated book only for Bitcoin trading pairs. You can have a book only for your competition orders, or you can have a book just to test out some strategies where you may not mind closing it at a loss. By organizing your books based on the type of trading you're implementing, you can better assess your strategies. Books all have their own separate P&L. Only after you've closed all positions in a book, including deferred positions, will you be able to close that book. You will no longer be able to open any orders in a closed book. However, you will still have access to viewing your closed orders. This can be done by clicking on and editing the book ID found in the table. Books are there to serve as a record of your trading history and to tell you what worked or didn't work with your strategies. Start trading with executium's advanced day trading system today, only at executium.com.